Why did no one tell me my mattress could be this gross? I always thought clean sheets were enough until I used this thing from Feppo and nearly cried. It pulled out dust, hair, dead skin, stuff I didn't even know was hiding in there. It heats to 140 degrees, blasts UV light to kill bacteria and mites, and even checks for bed bugs. My regular vacuum? Yeah, it doesn't come close, it can't sanitize or get deep into the fabric. I honestly feel betrayed by my own bed. Now I'm doing this weekly like clockwork. If you've got allergies, pets, or just want to stop sleeping in filth, do it. I dropped the link because you need this in your life.